So hey guys, it's Hybrid here. Yesterday we did the work on my mate's bike, Major Penguin or Ashley, on his Honda Varadero 125. We put a Black Widow exhaust and yeah, the day went down quite funny. There's a few bloopers and a bit of a chat that's a bit questionable. So I hope you enjoy and here's the video.
How much do you break this shit?
You won't break it.
Only slightly.
Nah, you just go down here. There you go. Wow, that slid on so nicely. Like, after I took the gasket off. Don't tighten it all up, eh?
Yeah.
Because you're going to have to move it round to get this all straightened up.
Oh.
That's it, mate.
Yeah.
Just snug it so you can still move it, you know?
Oh, now for
the fat can.
fat thing, you know? Fat boy. Fat thing. Fat boy 7th Street. No, I'm just seeing, does this go over? Right. Put paste, and you put paste around that top there. Fucking hell, it's stuck in there, isn't it? So what happens when you leave the paste to dry?
You leave it open, that's why.
Well, fuckboy doesn't know how to do shit.
No. Yeah, just because they're... Ooh. Around like the actual shaft, mate.
Cover the shaft.
You gotta cover the shaft.
This is just getting worse and worse, but I don't give a fuck.
It's alright if it's messy. Look at Sandro, he still hasn't cleaned this.
Doesn't matter if it's messy as long as it goes in.
Alright.
Rub it to the blend.
This is bad.
Oh, careful, this is loose, yeah?
Yeah, don't forget to put the clamp on.
Yeah, the clamp is on.
No, I'm saying don't forget to, like I did.
What?
Oh, the thick boy can go on after.
Oh, yeah, that can go. This. Oh, have we got some basic whiteys coming?
Oh Jesus, that was pedophilic.
That was very bad. That was very bad. Oh no. That was very bad.
Oh no.
Oh no.
There you go. Where's the rubber?
This goes in afterwards. Does it not?
No, you just put it on there and then it attaches to there. Have you got new hardware for there?
Eventually.
Hello, Potter. Into the recording. Sound. Why, Joe?
This is fucking... I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not tying it more than that. Because I feel like I'm breaking something.
Like, bitch, you want tight? I'll give you tight.
Oh Jesus. Alright.
So I'm just getting some bags.
I'm gonna have to fucking go through that footage later.
Yeah, be like, for fuck's sake, cut, change songs.
Yeah, change the song. What?
Turn the camera there and see you Ash in the corner.
Fingers over, am I right? There you go. You get a misfire.
Bitch!
That's how you troll people at college.
Just take it off.
No, you take it off and the bike won't start. And then when they do find it, the bike won't start because it's flooded. Fucking big is this clamp.
The screw's coming up.
We got right away.
Oh, that's where the clamp was properly as well, but still.
I think that'll be fine. Look at the screw.
A guy that basically he asked his girlfriend who he was always running the back to be like dead weight, so I was just trying to be like dead weight with the bike.
Yeah, but that's guys that kill their girlfriends.
Actually,
It's a good thing I'm not on his girlfriend then.
That was a dead joke.
it was pretty tight anyways.
You're pretty tight, alright mate?
This is my first time, please be gentle. Every time.
Go spin it. Spin it, you bad boy. Spin it. Spin it, man.
It's coming right now. It's not there. Fuck. Wait, what?
Oh, down, butter!
Oh, well.
Bitch, I know shit.
Don't laugh at me.
Alright, you bastard. I do know shit. I mean, what we'll see is that was about it, but yeah.
You want to speak quite useless right now?
Useless, yeah. Okay, yeah, no more. That's going into the bar. Yeah, that's fine. Literally can't type. I didn't. It's in now.
Where's the?
I'm gonna leave it.
Fucking hell.
I'm glad that's just chassis and nothing else important.
Important. Like the chassis is not important.
Yeah, mate. Oh, look what you've done now. This is an outtake.
This is the reason why I'm adopted. Right, where's
The one you can drop. Yeah, mate. Yeah, I'm gay. Oh, so I can watch you shower and shit, right?
So we can practice, right?
We can practice for when I have my first time with a guy. But yeah, sure. Walks around, has a girlfriend. Hey, I thought you were gay. Yeah.
I have a boyfriend. Oh, just tell him I'm gay.
I have a boyfriend, so do I.
You can be my boyfriend, that's fine.
That 3-1.
You can be my boyfriend too. That's like your excuse.
Yeah.
There you go.
I have a boyfriend, I don't get jealous.
Oh, yeah. What was it? I was watching something. It's like, hey, what, you want to do something? But I already have a boyfriend. Oh no, it's fine with me.
Yeah, it's fine with me. I don't get jealous. That's like right up against the chassis though.
That's fine. Mine's right up against my engine.
There's a Latin millimeter. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I moved it. That's why. Just bent the bracket. I don't give a shit. They're not sponsoring me. So,
Oh, we've got a caught on camera.
Akrapovich actually does research into their goals.
Oh, come on! Man! I don't know if the mic can pick that up.
That's a good squeeze.
Oh my god.
Yes, I love how it goes in. You not see this? How well it goes into the hole. There it is.
It's 11 minutes.
Fuck me.
You can have a nice day when you get home. Video will be up next week.
Yeah. When the next video next week? Why is that? My friend was an asshole.
So, Ash,
Yeah?
you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up with the exhaust on it.
Hopefully.
Right, I'll move over here.
Ready for a big one?
Yeah.